This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bluetooth record player. First, confirm your record player has built-in Bluetooth or a separate transmitter. Next, position your record player and your Bluetooth speaker or headphones within a range of approximately 30 feet for optimal signal strength. Finally, power on both your record player and the receiving Bluetooth device, ensuring they are ready for the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Now, let's initiate the pairing process. Begin by activating the pairing mode on your Bluetooth speaker or headphones. This is often indicated by a flashing light. Then, if your record player has a dedicated Bluetooth button, press it to put it into pairing mode. The devices should automatically detect each other and connect within a few seconds. You'll usually hear an audible confirmation or see a solid light once paired successfully. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry. First, ensure both devices are fully charged or plugged into a power source. A simple restart of both your record player and the Bluetooth receiver can often resolve minor glitches. Also, try moving any potential sources of interference, like Wi-Fi routers or other electronics, at least 3 feet away. If problems persist, consult your device manuals for specific troubleshooting guidance. With your devices successfully paired, it's time to enjoy your music. Carefully place your favorite record on the turntable and gently lower the tone arm onto the vinyl. Adjust the volume on your Bluetooth speaker or headphones to your desired listening level. Now, you can experience the rich, warm sound of your vinyl collection wirelessly, enjoying the convenience and freedom that a Bluetooth setup provides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.